So I just explained you row operations, right? So I'm going to further teach you things. Okay, so using row operation, let us try to prove this. Prove determinant of a plus b, b plus c, c plus a, b plus c, c plus a plus b, c plus a plus b, b plus c as 2 times abc, bca, cab. I've done this using breaking the integral into parts. Correct now? Sorry, not integral, breaking the determinant into two different integrals. Just splitting. We split into 8 determinants. Out of them, 6 are 0. Rest of the 2 combined to form 2 times. Correct now? Now I'm going to use row operations. While teaching this question, see, I'm going to tell you a few techniques. These are not some rules, or these are not some, the most standard techniques. They are just my observations, and like most of the students ka observations we have, those who have solved enough number of problems now, unka observations hai. Okay, ye pehla solving technique hai. So what is this is, see, we have to prove that LHS is equal to RHS, right? अब देखो पूरे कॉलम्स को ऐड करेंगे, पूरे एलिमेंट्स को ऐड करेंगे, क्या आ रहा है हमें? सेम सम आ रहा है. देखो, if I add like this, I'm getting 2 times a plus b plus c, 2 times a plus b plus c, 2 times a plus b plus c, तीनों में. Correct ना?
Yes, sir.
So that is what our first step is going to be. But I'm going to write that as a solving technique by adding all rows or columns. If result is same, do that. Understood now? So here, what is our first step? C1 goes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. So we'll add all columns and replace that in the column 1. And you can see that column 1 का coefficient मैंने change नहीं किया, same है. So we are doing operation that C1 plus C2 plus C3, A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus A, 2 times A plus B plus C, नीचे भी 2 times A plus B plus C, नीचे भी 2 times A plus B plus C. करेक्ट ना? इधर क्या आएगा? B plus C, C plus A plus B, C plus A plus B, B plus C. Correct na, students? Now I'm going to remove 2 out. 2 is, see, outside 2 is needed, so I'm going to remove 2 out. Can we? Yes, we can. Yes or no? So once I remove 2, what I'm going to get? A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, B plus C, C plus A, C plus A plus B, A plus B, B plus C. Now what am I going to do? See, I need one element only here. I have many elements. Correct? 2 elements are there. So what I'm going to do is, even here also same thing. I'm going to do one small row operations. अब देखो दोनों एक साथ, see, 2 row operations एक साथ कर सकते हैं, 2 column operation भी एक साथ कर सकते हैं. What is the operation that I'm going to do is, C2 goes to C1 minus C2. C3 goes to C1 minus C3. See, this is kind of wrong. Why it is wrong? See, when I'm replacing C2 with some row operation, we can do that. But the problem is C2 का coefficient is not 1. C2 का coefficient is -1. Correct na, students? Whichever column we are replacing, uska coefficient in the formula is -1. So if it has to be equal na, you have to divide with that coefficient. याद रखो. आप C1 minus C1 goes to, sorry, C2 goes to C1 minus 3C2 भी लिख सकते हैं. But कोएफिशिएंट जो भी है माइनस के साथ उसको डिवाइड करना पड़ेगा. Otherwise the step here and the step you are writing here are not going to be equal. But if the coefficient is same, 1 is the coefficient, no worries, write the step, no problem. Is it clear, students? Students, is it clear? Yes. So here -1 is the coefficient. We are going to divide with that. And even here also, C3 is being replaced with C1 minus C3. C3 ka coefficient is -1. So we are going to divide with -1. So 2 -1s are there. So no, not much issue is there. A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. Here it will be A plus B plus C minus B plus C. A plus B plus C minus C plus A. B. And A plus B plus C minus A plus B. That is C. Now A plus B plus C minus C plus B is B. And A plus B plus C minus A plus B is C. This is A. Is it clear, students? So we have only two. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to change this and this and this also. I need only one term there, right? So I will write C1 goes to C1 minus C2 minus C3. So उससे C1 and C2 and C3 subtract कर रहा हूँ. So 2 times and coefficient of C1 I maintain same. So no problem. No need to divide with any number. A plus B plus C minus A minus B करेंगे तो क्या आता है? C आता है. C A B. A plus B plus C minus B minus C. A B C. B C A. Did you understand, students? Now we need to do how many changes? अब देखो. See, we need ABC, BCA, CAB, right? We need to do 2 changes. Correct? Na? Observe karo. What are the changes I need to do? First, ABC needs to come here. Correct? Na? So I will do C2 interchange with C3. That is negative times ABC, CAB, BCA. Then I need to interchange these two. So I will write C2 interchange with C2 interchange with C1, C2 interchange with C3. Then minus will disappear. 2 times ABC, BCA, CAB will come. Is it clear, students?
Yes.
Actually, I can write 2 interchangings are requirements. I can see write the answer. That's totally fine. Initially, if you write extra step. Did you understand the step, students?
Yes, sir.
Please write it down. This is one more question. Actually, it's my favorite to teach you how to do row operations and teach you some more solving techniques. X square, x plus 1 whole square, x plus 2 whole square, x plus 2 whole square, x plus 1 whole square, x plus 2 whole square, x plus 3 whole square, x plus 2 whole square, x plus 3 whole square, x plus 4 whole square. Prove that this is equal to minus 8. Okay. Now let me explain you this. How do we prove it? See, one of the most used solving like row operations are when we have too many things like this. Okay, first let us expand them and write. Then I will tell you. This is x square. This is x square plus 2x plus 1. This is x square plus 4x plus 4. This is x square plus 2x plus 1. This is x square plus 4x plus 4. This is x square plus 6x plus 9. X square plus 4x plus 4. X square plus 6x plus 9. X square plus 8x plus 16. This is the expansion. I just use a plus b whole square formula and everything. Now we have too many terms. We can reduce the terms by doing simple row operations or column operations. First, in one step, we are going to reduce too many things. Observe it. I will apply C2 goes to C2 minus C1. C3 goes to C3 minus C2. I can do this. And even I can write C1 also here. Okay. See, when you are doing 2 row operations, involve all 3, or 2 column operations, involve all 3. Okay. So here we used C1, C2 and C3, C2, or C1, C2 and C3, C1. Now, observe it. C1 we are not changing. We are changing only C2 and C3. So C1 will stay as it is. C2 में क्या होता है? C2 minus C1. This minus this. We will get 2x plus 1. This minus this. We will get what? 2x plus 3. 2x plus 5. Again, C3 minus C2. This minus this. X square cut. 4x minus 2x. 2x. 4 minus 1, 3. 2x plus 5. 2x plus 7. Correct, students? Now I'll reduce it further by doing a row operation. Row operation is what? R2 goes to R2 minus R1. R3 goes to R3 minus R2. Okay. So row 2, that means we need to subtract this minus this. What will I get? First row will be staying as it is. Now subtract them. What will you get? X square plus 2x plus 1 minus x square. This will be 2x plus 1. This will be 2x plus 3. You understand, right? This row
Yes, sir.
minus this row, corresponding elements you need to do. 2x plus 3 minus 2x plus 1. That is 2. 2. Similarly, now I'll do C3 goes to C3 minus C2. That means we need to subtract C3 say C2. Sorry, R3 say R2. So 2x plus 3, 5 minus 3, 2, 2x, 2x cancel, 7 minus 5, 2, 2x, 2x cancel. Any doubt, students?
No, sir.
Next. Observe this. If you observe this, we have these 4 elements same. If I do a row operation or column operation, if I subtract them, I'm going to make 2 zeros. Correct, right? 2 of them zeros. So that is the next solving. If you have opportunity to make 2 zeros in a row or column, do it. You understand? क्योंकि 2 zeros बनाएंगे, expanding is going to be easier for us. Yes or no, students? So make 2 zeros. Here there is an opportunity of making 2 zeros. So how I'm going to do it? C3 goes to C3 minus C2. That will give us C1, C2 unchanged, x square, 2x plus 1, 2x plus 3. C2 is also unchanged, 2, 2. 2x plus 3 minus 2x plus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 2, 0. Now simple expansion. Q. So expansion with respect to which row or column? With respect to this column, we need to expand. Correct, students? Because 2 zeros are already there. We just need to do 2 into determinant of these 4 elements. Correct? So
Yes,
our
sir.
expansion is 2 into 2x plus 1, 2, 2x plus 3, 2. That's going to give us 2 times 4x plus 2 minus 4x minus 6. 4x, 4x cancel, 2 minus 6 is minus 4, minus 8 is answer. Any doubt? So this, in fact, this determinant is a constant function. If I give you this as a function and I ask you what is the degree of the function or degree of the polynomial, or I ask you what is the double derivative or single derivative, we can ask wide variety of questions on it, but it's a constant function. You understand, students? If we simplify, yeah, write it down. Standard determinant two. This is 1a square, 1b square, 1c square. ये आपको दिखता है, इसका आंसर है a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. Proving is काफी simple. ध्यान से देखो. See, what is the solving technique two? I told you that if there is any opportunity of making 2 zeros, do it. How do I make 2 zeros here? By subtracting 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. Yes or no? So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do R2 goes to R2 minus R1. R3 goes to R3 minus R1. Can I do that, students? R2 goes to R2 minus R1. R3 goes to R3 minus R1. That is going to give me 1a square. R1 we are not changing. R2 is R2 minus R1, 0. B minus a, b square minus a square. Correct, now, students? Similarly, 1 minus 1, 0. C minus a, c square minus a square. R3 minus R1. Now you can see that from this row, we can take b minus a out. Correct? B minus, see, this is because 0 is nothing. Here b minus a common, b minus a aega common. Here this is b minus a into b plus a. B minus a will come common out. Similarly, from this row, c minus a will come common. Correct, students?
Yes.
Yes.
So take them common. B minus a into c minus a common. What will I get inside? 1a square, 0, 1 b plus a, 0, 1 c plus a. Correct now? Minus a, minus wala factor is gone. The plus wala factor will remain. Now we can expand with respect to this column. Answer is what? B minus a, c minus a into 1 into determinant of these two. That is c plus a minus b minus a. Correct now? Minus a cancel. So we are getting b minus a, c minus a, c minus b. Correct now? So c minus a is there, but these two are in negative place. That is still fine, right? I can take a minus common from this. This is minus of a minus b. I can take another minus common from this. So that will become b minus c and c minus a. Did you understand, students?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Please write it down. Standard determinant 3. One a cube, one b cube, one c cube. This result is a minus b, b minus c, c minus a into a plus b plus c. Prove it now. What do we do, students? We'll first make 2 zeros. Correct now? So our first operation is R2 goes to R2 minus R1. R3 goes to R3 minus R1. That will give us R1 we are not changing, 1a cube as it is. Here it will be 0 b minus a, b cube minus a cube. 0 c minus a, c cube minus a cube. And we are going to take b minus a out of this and c minus a out here. Correct now? Yes, or b minus a out and c minus a out. See, in b cube minus a cube, its factorization is what? That is b minus a into b square plus ab plus a square. That's the thing, factorization. So once b minus a is out, we are going to get 1a cube, 0, 1, and b cube minus a cube, usse b minus a gaya, we are going to get b square plus ab plus a square. Again, 0, 1, this we are going to get c square plus ac plus a square. Now what am I going to do? I'm going to do a further change, a small change. I'm going to do subtract like this. C2 goes to C2 minus C1. Sorry, C2 minus C3. So not C2, R. My mistake. R2 goes to R2 minus R3 I'm going to do. If I do that, what will I get? B minus A, C minus A, 1a cube, 0, 1 minus 1, 0, b square minus c square, ab minus ac. So a common, b minus c, a square minus a square, 0. So 0, 1, c square plus ac plus a square. Now from this I'll take b minus c common. Yes or no, students? You can see दोनों zeros हैं, b minus c common. So I'm going to do that. I'll take b minus c common. I'll get b minus a, c minus a, 1a cube, 0, 0. Here b minus c गया तो b plus c plus a बचता है. 0, 1, c square plus ac plus a square. Now I have two zeros at multiple places. So I will open with respect to this column. So that is nothing but AD minus BC, correct? See, AD is 0. 0 into whatever is the factor is, that is 0. So, अरे B minus C भी लिखना चाहिए ना, इधर B minus C भी है. So we are going to get B minus A, C minus A, B minus C into negative of A plus B plus C. Correct now? Because minus of A plus B plus C. That minus I will multiply to B minus A and will make it A minus B. A minus B, B minus C, C minus A into A plus B plus C. Is it clear, students?
Yes.
We can directly expand also after the first step. After taking B minus A, C minus A common, you can directly expand also. And factorize whatever you get. That is also a method. Right. So we are going to make 2 zeros again, like earlier questions. Here, what I'm going to do is, I will do R2 goes to R2 minus R3, which we can do. R3 goes to R3 minus R1, which we can do, right? Why am I doing like this? I will tell you, okay? In earlier questions, I did not maintain, that's fine. A square A cube, ये 0 है. R2 minus R3 करेंगे तो B square minus C square आता है, B cube minus C cube आता है. Correct, students? And here C square minus A square आता है, C cube minus A cube आता है. Correct? See, as long as I'm maintaining the coefficient 1, we don't need to worry about dividing something. And in this, I made sure one more. See, we need to take B minus C, C minus A, dono common. I make sure that B square minus C square comes, C square minus A square comes also. Such that we can take B minus C common from this, C minus A common from this. Two factors are. So we'll take B minus C, C minus A common, and we are going to get 1 A square A cube, 0 B plus C, B square plus C square plus BC, 0 C plus A, C square plus A square plus AC. Is it clear, students? Now what do we need? We need an A minus B, right, students? A minus B we need. So let us do C3 goes to C3 minus C2. That creates what? A minus B, CC cancel. Check out. Students, yes or no? So let's write that out. B minus C, C minus A, 1 A square A cube, 0 B plus C, C2 we are not changing, B square plus C square plus BC. From this I am subtracting 0 minus 0, C cancel, I am going to get A minus B out. From here what will I get? If I subtract these two, see C square cut. I am going to get A square minus B square, and from these two I can take C common, A minus B. Any doubt in this, students?
No, sir.
No, sir.
There will be R3 goes to.
Sir, minus 3. Thank you. R3. Now from this what will come? A minus B will come out, right? Yes or no?
Yes.
So B minus C, C minus A minus B, they are out. 1 0 0, A square A cube, B plus C, and this is B square plus C square plus BC, and A minus B is out, so this will become 1. Here A minus B is out, here A plus B will be left out, and here A minus B is out, so C will be left out. Plus, any doubt, students? Now apply, now expand. Expansion will give me what? B minus C, C minus A minus B. And you don't need to show the step, okay? Like in boards exam, you can, but otherwise you don't need to. Multiply these two minus multiply these two, right? So what you are going to get? Multiply these two. That is AB plus B square. B से multiply कर रहा हूँ, C square. उसके बाद C से multiply करता हूँ. Sorry, BC उसके बाद C से AC प्लस BC प्लस C स्क्वायर माइनस B square minus C square minus BC. Correct ना students? Minus 1 times. So B square C square cancel. BC cancel. We are getting B minus C, C minus A minus B into AB plus BC plus C. That's all. Is it clear? Right now.
Yes.
Standard determinant 5. 1A, sorry, 1 plus A, B, C, A 1 plus B, C, A, B 1 plus C. Answer is nothing but 1 plus A plus B. 1 plus A plus B plus C. See, as I told you this already, solving technique 1 mein, when I add all of them, if the sum is going to be same, that's your first step. Correct, right? So our first step is C1 goes to C1 plus C2 plus C3. That's going to give us what? 1 plus A plus B plus C, B, C, 1 plus A plus B plus C, 1 plus B, C, 1 plus A plus B plus C, B, 1 plus C. Correct? Now from this I can take 1 plus B plus C out, 1 plus A plus B plus C out. Once I take that, 1 plus A plus B plus C out, I'm going to get 1 B C, 1 plus B C, 1 B 1 plus C. And what is our default step here? 3 ones are there, make 2 of them 0. Correct? Now? So R2 goes to R2 minus R1, R3 goes to R3 minus R1. So that will result 1 plus A plus B plus C, R1 unchanged, R2 will be 1 minus 1, 0, 1 plus B minus B, only 1, C minus C, 0. Now 1 minus 1, 0, B minus B, 0, 1 plus C minus C, 1. Is it clear? Correct? Now expansion only, because we got 2 zeros. Expand with respect to this column. What will you get? 1 plus A plus B plus C into 1 into determinant of this. 1 minus 0. Correct? Now that is 1. That's your result. Is it clear? Please write it down. Standard determinant. Six. 1 plus A, 1, 1. 1 plus B, 1. 1 1 plus C. Prove that this is equal to ABC into 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C. Try it, students. See, if we observe now, we can do this by using standard determinant 5. How we know? I'm going to take A common from this, B common from this, and C common from this. Matlab they are not there, but I'm going to take common. I'm going to force the common. We are going to get ABC out, but inside what we are going to get? 1 by A plus 1, 1 by A, 1 by A. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
It is in row wise, right? Ha, it is in row wise. Okay. Let us take common from the columns. That is also fine. I'll take common from A from this, B from this, and C from this. So 1 by A like this. 1 by B plus 1, 1 by B. 1 by C, 1 by C, 1 by C plus 1. Clear? Now this is exactly first like determinant 5, standard determinant 5. देखो standard determinant 5 क्या था? 1 plus A, B, C, A 1 plus B, C, A, B 1 plus C है तो answer is 1 plus A plus B plus C. Correct ना? इधर आंसर क्या होना चाहिए? Instead of A, 1 by A is there. Instead of B, 1 by B is there. Instead of C, 1 by C is there. So by using standard determinant 5, result should be 1 plus 1 by A plus 1 by B plus 1 by C होना चाहिए. Correct students? Oh, मैंने result गलत दिया था. 1 प्लस होना चाहिए इधर, राइट? नॉट प्लस. राइट. Standard determinant 7, and this is the worst one to trouble you. Okay, I'm telling you, I've seen this troubling many students. In the exam, it is going to come and you are going to forget it. And you are going to try it and waste your time. A plus B, A, B, C, B plus C, B, C, A, C plus A. Result is 4A. Listen to this, students. How am I going to solve it? C1 goes to C1 minus C2 minus C3. I'm going to do a subtraction Sida. What is it going to give? A plus B minus A minus B. Of course, 0, A, B. And in the second row, C minus B plus minus C minus B. Correct enough? C cancel, minus 2B is going to come. B plus C, B. Third row, mein, C minus A minus C minus A. Minus 2A, A, C plus A. Then I'm going to take minus 2 common from this. So minus 2 times 0, A, B, B, B plus C, B, A, C plus A. Now I'm going to expand. Expand with respect to any row or any column, it doesn't matter. I'm going to expand with respect to first row only. So minus 2 times 1, 0 is there. See, 0 ka term we don't need to write. Minus A into determinant of B, B, A, C plus A. Correct, students? Plus B into
Yes.
B, B plus C, A, A. Correct, students? From this I can take B out. From this I can take A out. Correct enough? Take them out. Minus 2 times I will get minus AB 1, 1, A, C plus A. Plus AB times A out, B, B plus C, 1, 1. Correct enough? And take AB out. Minus 2AB common. I'm going to get minus determinant of C plus A minus A plus AB is gone. B minus C. Correct enough? B minus B cancel, A minus A cancel. We are getting minus C, minus 2C, minus 2AB into minus 2C. We are going to get 4A. Is it clear, students?
Yes.
Please write it. Prove that 1 log y base x, log z base x, log x base y, 1 log z base y, log x base z, log y base z, 1 is equal to 0. Simple question. Please do it. From here we are doing problems. These are not standard determinants. Right, students? Now listen. So how are we going to do this? I'm going to write this. You can actually expand through Saras expansion, you know, right? Even Saras expansion will give you an answer. But I'm going to write this as log x base x. Can we write it like that, students? Log y base x, log z base x, log x base y, log y base y, log z base y, log x base z, log y base z, log z base z. This is going to result in what? Log x upon log x log y upon log x, log z upon log x. Correct now? Log x base x. Similarly, log x upon log y upon log y, log z upon log y, log x upon log z, log y upon log z, log z upon log z. See, from denominators, take log x common, log y common, log z common. What will you get? Bahar 1 by log x, log y, log z is going to come. Inside, log x, log y, log z is going to come. Log x, log y, log z is going to come. Log x, log y, log z is going to come. And this is going to turn to 0. Is it clear? Students?
Yes.
Right. I'll do one more word. Prove that 1x, yz, 1yzx, 1z, xy equal to 1x, x square, 1y, y square, 1z, z square without expanding. Try to observe this, students. So, for LHS, I'll take LHS 1x, yz, 1y, zx, 1z, xy. That's what we have, right? What I'm going to do is, I'm going to multiply this with x, multiply this with y, multiply this with z. So basically, what I'm doing is, R1 goes to x R1, R2 goes to y R2, R3 goes to z R3. It is just a multiplication. We are not doing any addition or subtraction of all three. Multiplication we can do. So, but since I'm multiplying with three numbers, I have to divide with those numbers. Otherwise, the constant is not going to be same. The determinant is not going to be same. What will I get? X, x square, x, y, z. Y, y square, x, y, z. Z, z square, x, y, z. Now I can take x, y, z common from this column. The moment I take x, y, z common, what I'm going to get? X, y, z cancel. X, x square 1. We are going to get x, x square 1, y, y square 1, z, z square 1. And how many interchangings are required? We need 1x, x square, right? So first I need to interchange these two and interchange these two. Correct, students? Two interchangings are required. So there won't be any negative implication. 1, 1, 1, x, y, z, x square, y square, z square. Is it clear, students? Students, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Right.